We're trying to figure out how many books did Michael have before he acquired 10 more. So he has books in shelves, 10 books on each shelf. He acquires 10 additional books. Now he has 12 books on each shelf. There's none left over. And we've already said we're trying to figure out how many books did Michael have before he acquired 10 more. And that's what we're going to let X be. So X must be a multiple of 10 if there's 10 books on each shelf. And there's none left over. So then he buys 10 more books. So X plus 10 is his total number of books. And that's got to be a multiple of 12 because he puts 12 on each shelf and there's none left over. So what number will 10 and 12 both go into? 60. So X plus 10, his total number of books now must be a multiple of 60. Or you could say 12 must be able to divide into that evenly. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says, before Michael acquired 10 additional books, he had fewer than 96 books. Fewer than 96. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And the answer must be 60 because X plus 10 is a multiple of 60. So he had 60 books. That's the answer. So we know clue 1 works. Now look at clue 2. Clue 2, before Michael acquired the 10 additional books, he had more than 24. Well, there's no upper bound on those. So you know it would be 30, 40, 50, but it just keeps on going. So that clue doesn't work. So your answer is A.